Did that actually just happen? That is the most beautiful hairdryer I've ever seen. Oh my goodness, guys, look at this. I love it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For anyone new here, my name is Alana and today's video is sponsored by Zuvi, and I will be unboxing, testing, reviewing and showing you a little hair tutorial on how I use the new Zuvi Halo Hair Dryer. The reason why I was up for reviewing and testing out this hair dryer is because it has light care technology, which basically doesn't cause any damage to your hair. And I'm going to talk about that a little bit more in detail as I go through, because it's actually super interesting. Like, I've learned so much from getting this hair dryer I didn't even know before, so it's super interesting, and I think that you'll all find it very useful, because I think after this video you might all take a look at the hair dryer you're using and be like, should I potentially get a new hair dryer? Because I imagine you probably will. But anyway, enough blabbering. I just want to show you this because I think it's really cool. So I just opened it up and I have Zuvi cut into the cardboard. Guys, I just feel like that is such a nice touch. Like, I was just immediately like, wow, this feels premium. No one ever does that. That's effort right there. Very, very slick. I just love how it looks. Isn't that like just so slick looking? Oh wow, that looks, it reminds me of Apple. You know, Apple products, they come in like white packaging and then they'll have a picture of the product. It kind of oozes expensiveness. Also, I forgot to mention, I have washed my hair, which is why it's wet, because I want to obviously test this out from my hair being freshly washed. Okay. Oh wow, that looks super slick. Wow. Isn't that the most prettiest hair dryer you've ever seen? I'm sorry, okay, most hair dryers are really, really ugly, let's be fair. And you usually keep them in the drawer. It's never something that you want sitting out on your dressing table because usually it doesn't look very pretty. But guys, that is one good looking hair dryer. In terms of looks, that is getting a 10 out of 10. Did that actually just happen? Okay guys, I can also confirm that it can definitely withstand a drop, because this just face planted the ground and it's still in one piece. Next scene. Oh wow! Oh my goodness, guys. On this side, it has a mirror and I can fully see myself in it. That is so good. I can like use it like as a hand mirror and like do my makeup. It's super light. So I hope you can see there that that is actually a mirror. So you can probably, at this point, you can probably see the camera in this. Yeah, that is amazing. I love that. It's just the inside of the box. It actually comes with 3 hair dryer attachments. You get a diffuser that you can add on, so that's if you want to have curly hair. I'm actually going to use the styling concentrator attachment, which means that you can straighten your hair or curl your hair. It basically enables you just to style your hair however you want. So I'm going to use that today because I want to have smooth hair. You also get this gentle air attachment, which I would probably use whenever I'm hair drying my hair and getting all the moisture out of it. What this does is dispenses air for sensitive scalps, and I actually have quite a sensitive scalp. Like, I can never have a hair product too hot, otherwise like I can really feel it burning my scalp. This is actually going to be a really good attachment for me, and I'm super excited to use this. So what's also really cool about this is it has different modes: fast, soft and style mode. There is also a cool shot mode that you can use, and this is really good because depending on what attachment you use depends on what mode you use. How this light care technology works is it's able to dry your hair at a lower temperature without penetrating your hair follicles, which is what regular hair dryers do, and that's what really dries out your hair. What this also means is because it can dry your hair at lower temperatures, it actually keeps your hair and your scalp at temperatures below 110 degrees, whereas with traditional hair dryers, it can take your hair and scalp anywhere up to over 140 degrees, and that's obviously what causes you to get all hot and sweaty, and that's also what dries out and damages your hair. So with this Zuvi Halo Hair Dryer, it actually reduces hair damage, which, like I said, that is normally my #1 priority whenever I'm picking any hair product. Also guys, the light care technology in this hydrates your hair, so after you've dried your hair, it stays hydrated. I'm gonna stop blabbering now, and I'm actually gonna put this to the test because apparently it also dries your hair just as fast, if not faster, than traditional hair dryers. And again, that is massive for me because I have so much hair, it takes me such a long time to dry my hair. So again, anything that saves me time, I'm all on board for. And as well as all the benefits that I just mentioned there about the light care technology in this hair dryer actually uses 60% less energy. And guys, the price of bills here in the UK right now, we can all do with saving a little bit on energy, can't we? Right, okay, I'm gonna plug this in. Oh my goodness, guys, look at this. Look at the colours, so pretty. So that is obviously the light care technology working. I just love the fact that this is a mirror. This is just so cool. Okay, I'm gonna stop looking at myself and I'm gonna pop on the gentle air attachment. Also, all of the attachments are magnetic, which is really cool. So it just really easily just clips on like that. And I'm just gonna blast my hair a little bit dry to get a bit more of the moisture out. And then I am going to use the concentrated attachment to give myself a nice little sleek blow dry. So it recommends that with the gentle air attachment, you put it on fast mode, which you can change here. So I'm mainly just gonna concentrate on getting my roots dry because I'm gonna be styling my ends. I love how lightweight this is. Like, my arm's never gonna get sore holding this. There we go. I've got most of my roots dry now, which is what I wanted. This is also supposed to reduce frizz, and I can definitely tell that it has. Like, usually with a regular hair dryer at this point, if I was drying my roots, it would be really frizzy, whereas there's not actually much frizz at all. So it has definitely reduced the frizz. Also, it doesn't get you really hot like other hair dryers. It definitely doesn't. It feels a little bit cool, but it's also still drying my hair quite quickly, which of course is exactly what you want. You don't want to be getting heated up, but you want your hair to dry. It's definitely doing what it's saying it does. I'm gonna switch the attachment over and I'm gonna put on a concentrated attachment. I love that it just clicks on like that as well. I love the magneticness of it. Look how slick that looks. Like, that looks very good. Love it, love it. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna quickly section my hair. Obviously spray some heat defense. And I am gonna put this into style mode because I am styling my hair. Let's go. As you can see, this side of my hair compared to this side is lovely and smooth. It's completely taken away the frizz and got out the curl, and it looks nice and shiny. I am super impressed. So now I'm just gonna work through the rest of my hair and I'm just gonna straighten it out with the hair dryer. I'm gonna speed this up and I'm gonna show you the finished result and let you know my final thoughts on the Zuvi Halo Hair Dryer. So let's go. Go. That looks absolutely fabulous. I love that. It looks so sleek. It feels so smooth. I love it. It's got rid of so much of my frizz. It definitely feels hydrated. Like normally after I blow dry my hair with a regular hair dryer, like I can tell that it's like dried out. Like I can tell that my hair's dried out. I am not one bit sweaty. Like I feel lovely, which is so refreshing because there's nothing worse than getting out of the shower, having to do your hair and then feeling all sweaty and all minged after it and just feeling like the shower is pointless, like feeling like you want to get back in it, especially whenever you're someone like me who has a lot of hair and it's not just like a quick 5 minutes. I think the main thing for me is just knowing that it's not damaging my hair and that it's actually adding hydration to my hair. Also guys, you know these days like we want things that look aesthetically pleasing, and like guys, like that is the most beautiful hair dryer I've ever seen. Like, have you ever seen a hair dryer more pretty than that? Because I haven't. I really, really haven't. Pretty on anyone's dressing table. Actually a hair dryer that I'm gonna want out on display rather than one that I'm gonna want to hide in the drawer. So guys, all in all, I'm really impressed with the Zuvi Halo Hair Dryer. I definitely recommend going to check them out. I will have a link in my description so you can go check out the website and you can shop the product, and I will also link their Instagram handle down below. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe, and if you have any questions at all about the Zuvi hair dryer, please comment below and I will be sure to get back to you. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you next time.